619, Todd Jeffries and Don Pryor.
Hi.
Here on the Todd and Don Show.
How are you?
How about this? Drug prices may be coming to a TV screen near you this summer after the Department of Health and Human Services approved some final rules requiring disclosure if a drug's cost exceeds $35 before rebates and discounts. Yeah, viewers of TV ads are also likely to find themselves directed to websites, set up by the drug makers to offer different pricing scenarios. Yeah, the companies have complained the new rule will give patients the impression that they're required to pay the full price and deter them from actually seeking treatment. Alex Azar, he is the Secretary of Health and Human Services. Here's what he had to say.
It's time for the drug companies to level with the American people, tell them what the drugs will cost before they spend hundreds of dollars to go see a doctor to ask about the medicine. You know, right now, you don't know if a drug costs $50 or $5,000 when the company asks you to go in and see your doctor. Now you can have an informed discussion with your physician also about other affordable options.
All right, so in the Twitterverse, Donald Trump, the president, with a tweet just a few minutes ago, a big announcement today. Drug companies have to come clean about their prices and TV ads. Historic transparency for American patients is here. If drug companies are ashamed of those prices, lower them. That's what the president tweeted out this last night.
I think this is wonderful. I cannot tell you how many times I've gone to a pharmacy to pick up a prescription, not having any idea when I'm standing in there in line what I'm about to pay. Not a clue.
Now, with some reaction, Leah Purvis, she's with the AARP. She's with the Public Policy Institute there. Here's what she had to say.
Right now, people are really operating kind of under a cloak of darkness. They have no idea exactly how much drugs cost when they're seeing them on television. And providing this sort of information really kind of opens the conversation about drug prices broadly and kind of illuminates exactly how expensive some of these products are. I'm not sure there's an expectation that prices are going to drop simply because of this change. This is more introducing the types of transparency that really is needed in the prescription drug market. The overall idea of reducing prescription drug prices is something for which there is no silver bullet. So I think this is just one step, one tool, in what will have to be a very big arsenal to help bring prices down.
All right, so there you go. It's an effort to bring prices down, make them a little bit more transparent. People have the right to know what they might have to pay.
It's a product, right? How much is the product?
I think
pretty simple.
They should probably expand that to hospitals. Hospitals should have a menu board when you walk in the front door. Yeah. How much this cost? How much that cost? And that way, it's they get to everybody gets to know exactly.
I'm going to be staying here. I have to pay to stay here. How much is that going to cost me? Mm-hmm. I mean, it's pretty reasonable to me.
It's a good move, but let me ask you this. I mean, because some people say that this actually may lead to some people not taking their medication. Yeah, companies complain that this new rule will give patients the impression that they're required to pay the full price and deter them from seeking treatment.
Well, there needs to be some clarity about that. That's right, because there'll be coupons, there'll be discounts depending on your deductible, blah, 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 your copay, whatever.
Yeah.
On and on and on. But at least have some idea where you're beginning, at the very least.
I've had some good luck with that Good RX.
Yeah.
That app.
Right.
I did commercials for them before, not doing commercials for them right now. They moved on to other parts of the country. But
very cool.
But it's really Good RX.
Yeah.
If you don't have that app, it does work.
And it was accurate?
It was accurate. I saved a lot of money. I mean, just having the app, it tells you which pharmacy where you could buy that drug, where it's the cheapest.
Right.
And some pharmacies, Walgreens, CVS, you got various grocery stores and, Targets, and they negotiate different deals. So they could get a better price, and they tend to pass it on. Hey, stay with us. We're going to update you on the top stories. The president, he was in Florida last night for a campaign rally, and he had a lot to say about the other candidates. We'll explain coming up.
The Todd and Don Show.